Assume an investor buys a share of stocks for $100 at t equals 0, and at the end of next year, she buys an additional share for $120. At the end of year 2, the investor sells both shares for $130 each. At the end of each year in the holding period, the stock paid $2 per share dividend. What is investors' dollar-weighted rate of return? And what is time-weighted rate of return for this investment? So to calculate dollar-weighted rate of return, let's draw the cash flow according to timeline. For t equals 0, t equals 1, and t equals 2. For t equals 0, share purchase $100 is outflow, and for t equals 1, share purchase $120 is outflow, and $2 dividend is inflow. For t equals 2, $4 dividend is inflow, and $260 proceed is inflow. So for t equals 0, cash flow is minus 100, and for year 1, cash flow is minus 118, and cash flow year 2 is 264. So we can use the calculator to calculate IRR for these cash flows. So click cash flow and click second and clear register. So first year cash flow is 100 minus enter and next. For year 1 cash flow is 118 minus enter and next. For year 2 cash flow is $264, enter and compute IRR. Then IRR, dollar weighted rate of return, becomes 13.86%. For the second question, time weighted rate of return, we can use the formula 1 plus holding period rate square equals 1 plus holding period rate of year 1 multiplied by 1 plus holding period rate of year 2. So holding period rate of year 1 end value is 122 and beginning value is 100 minus 1 equals 22%. For second year, holding period rate end value is $264 and beginning value for 2 stock is 240 minus 1 equals 10%. So we can plug holding period 1 and holding period 2 rate into the formula. Then 1 plus holding period rate square equals 1 plus 0.22 multiplied by 1 plus 0.1. Then holding period rate becomes 15.84%. So with this result, we can see holding period rate is bigger than dollar weighted rate of return is because holding period rate of year 1 is bigger and is compounded.